There's only one, there's only one. It's only one, just only one, just.
Hey you guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another wig video for you guys. I'm going to show you how I turn these dookie braids into a full no leave out type of look. You're just going to need these two braids in the front and we're going to turn this into this. Very effortless, very simple. Like I said, no leave out, literally the perfect protective style. So let's get into it. Shout out to UNice Hair for sponsoring this video. I've been wearing UNice hair for years and they never miss. Their hair is always really great quality, so I'm excited to share it with you guys today. Inside their box is a wig cap, a hairband, and some press-on nails, but let's get into today's wig. So this is their kinky curly EasiContour V-part wig. The curls are made to mimic natural hair and the curls are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to define them later in this video and show you guys the styles you can do with them. So this is what the V-part looks like, and here's the details of the construction of the cap. So they have two little combs on the top, which I'll be using to connect to my braids, one in the middle to hold the middle of your hair down, two on the sides for extra security. They also have a band in the back, but the star of the show is this extra elastic band that they have in the back that really tightens, so you can honestly wear this as like a ponytail. So it's a little drawstring, so you can wear it with any size head. This is made so it can fit really small head sizes, and the stretch is really great for larger size heads as well. So now I'm just cutting off the bands in between the V-part wig, and I just want to show you how they've upgraded these V-part wigs. Like the track used to be showing, but they've done a flip over method so the track is covered, and that's going to be very key for this hairstyle. So for this style, you don't need any fancy, neat braid pattern. The two in the middle are gonna be the most important ones because that's what you're gonna anchor your wig to. So I'm just making sure to leave a little bit of the top of the braid showing when I anchor them down so that I'll have some space to crochet the hair into. So you're gonna see there's a little bit of braid showing. You don't wanna cover the entire braid. And this is what it should look like before we get started. So for this style, you're gonna need a crochet needle with a hook and latch attached to the end. And all you have to do is stick the hook through the braid, and you're gonna want to make sure you pull a piece of the hair before you get started so that you know exactly which hair you're putting it through. Stick it on the hook and then pull the latch right back on through your braid, and then the hair should fall over nicely. The reason why I'm saying to pick your hair first, because if you just try to slide any random piece on, it's going to get kind of knotty and frizzy. So you want to isolate the piece that you're pulling through, pull it on through, and then pull it on through and then swing it over your hair so that it can cover your braid and blend in with the rest of the hair. All right, so now that that's done, we got a head full of hair. The braids are all covered, the tracks are covered, and now it's pretty much time to style the hair. Even though I was kind of feeling this look, it was giving Shaka Khan's SZA vibes, but I was like, all right, let's get into these curls. So these are the products that I'm gonna use: just a spray bottle and some curling mousse. And that's something I love about the simplicity of wearing wigs. They don't take a lot of upkeep. You just do one styling at the beginning, and throughout the rest of the week, it's pretty easy to just throw on and wear. It's ready to go. And these wigs don't need a lot of work to style. They don't need a lot of product. The curls define extremely easily, so I'm just gonna define the curls. It's gonna take me like maybe 15 minutes tops. As you can see, the curls are stunning, so I'm just gonna go ahead and define all the curls throughout this hair, and then we'll get on into styling the rest of the hair. All right, so here is what the curls look like. I absolutely love this length. I love a middle part bust down, but if you guys know me, you know I gotta cut the hair. I love shaping my wigs or any type of style I put on my hair. I'm really into shorter hair, so I always shape and frame my face with the hair that I wear just to make it look a little more realistic, and it's just a little bit more my style. So you're gonna see me cutting and just kind of looking to see like, do I like this? And I think I like it. I found my perfect length. It's like a little past shoulder length. That's where I like to end. So I'm just gonna cut the hair in a downward motion to kind of shape it out a little bit. It gives it like more of a circular shape, not necessarily like an afro, but it just gives it more of a natural shape instead of cut all just one length. So I'm gonna just go back and forth between both sides to make sure I like what it looks like. Now, I am no professional at layering my hair, but you basically are just trying to make sure it fits the shape that you're going for. I'm just cutting in like a downward motion to kind of give it an angle so it's just not all falling in the same exact place. So this is what the hair looked like before I started shaping it and layering it, and this is what it looked like after. So I'm just going to continue to do the same thing, try my best to make both sides look like each other, but it's important to know it's going to be sisters and not twins. But I'm just going to try my best to make them look as identical as possible. Continue to shape around, cutting down, cutting upward, and all the things. So for this part, you are going to have to be patient. I did go back and forth quite a bit, but this is how it came out. I'm so pleased with the final result. I especially love the curls. They look so natural. I love that it has a natural hairline with no leave out, so it doesn't look super wiggy, but also my natural hair doesn't have to be manipulated in any way. I want to show you guys the back with the drawstring. It's nice and tucked. You could also put this hair in a ponytail if you so please, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next one.
There's only one. There's only one. It's only one, just only one, just